Make a great choice today with the 2009 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lights, braking assist, airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.